Our souls, our spirits, are whole and perfect, just like this sphere, obviously not dense and not limited in size, but whole and perfect. Which begs the question, why did we choose to come into bodies and decide to have a human experience? If we're already whole and perfect, what's the point? Spirit tells me that we chose this arduous path because we wanted to add facets to our souls. We wanted to add experience that separation provides. We are all pressing our noses up against a facet of our soul, looking out to have this experience, just like kids at an aquarium. And how easy it is to forget that we're really whole and perfect souls. My work is helping people to reclaim that, to reclaim innate spirituality, the spirituality that we came with and we voluntarily released when we came into a human body, and which we get so dazzled and distracted by the world. Who actively works to separate us from that, so that there's more opportunity for control from people outside of us, that we forget. And my work is helping people remember. If this is interesting to you, I hope that you'll join me on October 21st at Violet Flame Collective here in Bandon, Oregon. We're going to be doing a workshop specifically designed to help. I'm going to be hosting a workshop to help people connect across the veil and remember who we really are. We want to stay in this experience because we want to continue to add facets to our soul. But that doesn't mean that we can't learn to connect as well, which builds our confidence and reminds us why we're really here, so we can have this experience with less suffering. If that sounds interesting to you, please reach out to me. Let me know that you're interested and I'll put you on the list. Violet Flame Collective is a beautiful sacred space. Violet Flame Collective is a beautiful sacred space, very intimate. There's not a lot of room in there. So if you want to get in on it, I hope that you reach out soon. Let me know because space will be limited. Down the road, I'm also working on a workshop. I'm also talking to the owner of Mind, Body, Spirit. I'm also talking with the owner of Mind, Body, Spirit, Holistic. I'm also Mind, Body, Spirit, Holistic Wellness. I'm also talking to the owner of Mind, Body, Spirit, Holistic Wellness, and we'll be having. I'm also working with the owner of Mind, Body, Spirit Collective. I'm also working with the owner of Mind, Body, Spirit. I'm also working with the owner of Mind, Body, Spirit Holistic Wellness in North Bend, Oregon, to plan a workshop there. So reach out to me, let me know, and I'll get you on my mailing list, and we can. So let me know, and I'll get you on my mailing list. So let me know, and I'll get you on my contact list to make sure that you're connected as we grow our innate spirituality. So let me know so I can get you on my contact list. So you can follow me on my socials to make sure that you see the dates that are upcoming for class. So follow me on my socials for updated workshop dates, and I can't wait to see some of you. And I can't wait to see you as we develop, and I can't wait to see you as we reclaim our innate spirituality.